The world's most famous hurricanes, history's devastating storms. Hurricanes are among the most powerful and destructive forces of nature. These massive storms have caused immense damage worldwide, claimed thousands of lives, and left a lasting impact on history. Here are some of the world's most famous and devastating hurricanes. Hurricane Katrina, 2005. Hurricane Katrina is one of the most costly and deadly hurricanes in U.S. history. Striking Louisiana in 2005, the storm submerged much of New Orleans, left thousands homeless, and resulted in the deaths of approximately 1,800 people. Katrina was not only a natural disaster, but also raised serious questions about the government's ability to respond to such emergencies. Typhoon Haiyan 2013. Typhoon Haiyan, which hit the Philippines in 2013, is considered one of the strongest tropical cyclones ever recorded. With wind speeds exceeding 300 km/h, 186 mph, and massive storm surges, the typhoon caused the deaths of over 6,300 people and left millions displaced. Haiyan triggered a major humanitarian crisis and international relief efforts. Hurricane Andrew, 1992. Hurricane Andrew devastated parts of Florida and Louisiana in 1992 as a Category 5 storm. The hurricane destroyed more than 65,000 homes and caused approximately $26 billion in damage. Andrew led to significant changes in hurricane insurance policies and emergency response plans in the U.S. Hurricane Sandy, 2012. Hurricane Sandy, often referred to as a superstorm, struck the northeastern United States, particularly affecting New Jersey, New York, and surrounding areas. The storm caused extensive damage, left millions without power, and resulted in 233 deaths. Sandy highlighted the vulnerability of major urban areas to hurricanes. Galveston Hurricane, 1900. The Galveston Hurricane, which struck Galveston, Texas in 1900, remains the deadliest hurricane in U.S. history. The storm claimed between 8,000 and 12,000 lives and devastated the city. This event led to significant advancements in meteorology and disaster management. The Bola Cyclone. The Bola Cyclone, which hit the coasts of Bangladesh and eastern India in 1970, is one of the deadliest cyclones in recorded history. The Bola Cyclone, which hit the coasts of Bangladesh and eastern India in 1970, is one of the deadliest cyclones in recorded history. The cyclone killed an estimated 300,000 to 500,000 people. This disaster led to a re-evaluation of cyclone preparedness strategies in South Asia and remains a tragic milestone in the region's history. These famous hurricanes provide important lessons about the power of nature and its impact on humanity. Each one stands as a reminder of the devastation and transformation that such storms can bring to lives, cities, and even entire countries.